Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create the viral AI miniature moving videos using Hailuo AI. So if you want to know how to create the viral AI moving video that's everyone's talking about, here I'll walk you step by step through making the moving photos using Hailuo AI. Now what you need to do here. Okay, so this is the preview of the results of the video, as you guys can see in here. Now what you need to do is just open your browser or your Gemini applications to generate the photo. So you need to generate the photo first before making the video. You can just upload your photos like this and use this prop. Create an ultra-realistic image of a girl photo attached, or you can also of a boy if it's a man or a boy sitting at the computer desk in a brightly lit room. You can just copy this prompt and the result will go like this. Okay, so it's a still image. If you want to make it into a movie or a short video, now you can just head to the Hailuo AI like this, and then you can just here upload the AI photo that you just generate. This one, click on open and then type your idea. For example, I'm going to just go with make the woman move while holding the figure and smiling at the camera. It will go like this, and then you can just tap on create video, and this is the preview, the result. You can use Hailuo AI, or here I'm using Dreamina AI to make this video. And that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.